Now let us demonstrate how simple a repair can be using our RepCon repair set.
In this case, we are repairing a connector from the ignition coil on an Opel. We'll show how easy it is.
It's important to mention our cable color. We're using a yellow cable here. You might wonder why we don't use the same colors as the vehicle. It's because you can't know. That's why we have a universal yellow cable. What's important is that it's a very flexible silicone cable with high flexibility.
Generally, there are several options for you with RepCon. First, we have the option to get the RepCon connector loose, just one connector in a bag. We also offer it as a set. For instance, we have an interior resistance with 2 compatible connectors. We also have different assortments assigned to manufacturers. For example, we have one for Opel, Fiat, Lancia, and Alfa. Here's where you can say, I often have the manufacturers, so I use them.
And if you want to see how easy it is, just stay tuned. We'll show you now. You might be wondering how to find the right connector without a lot of time investment. We just access the online catalog. There are 2 ways to proceed. One option is to search for the vehicle by its KBA number. We then get our vehicle displayed. This is the Opel Adam. We're going to start the installation now. Now we have all the articles that are available for this vehicle at Herd & Bus. We will select our connector. We now have the item number here, along with various images that we can review again later, and all technical information. The ones we need for this purpose. It can be that straightforward. We have another possibility, is of course not through the KBA number, but we will simply go through the vehicle search now. For that, we now have the vehicles. PT is choosing now the brand Opel. He picks the Adam. Has him in, then the model. Here again, just like before, we go to installation. All 3 connectors we offer are displayed. And so we have located it. Therefore, the vehicle search, as well as the search by KBA numbers, both are quite easy, and you can quickly identify the correct part. We'll show you the vehicle repair now. We remove the broken connector. We begin now, as stated, with installing the RepCon connectors. PT is isolating the cable. Naturally, we've written down the wire colors to ensure the right cable goes in the correct spot. Now take the connector. Attach it on one side and crimp it. You will find the appropriate tool for this also at Herd & Bus in the online catalog. From the other side, we can now either take the complete cable. Here we have the advantage that it is already stripped. Just strip it. Of course, you can also adjust the length if you want, which PT is demonstrating now. Here you can again see the use of our stripper. As mentioned, the best wire stripping tool. Also, we plug the thing back into the connector. Next, we crimp the other side, and now we have the first cable crimped professionally. Another step we have now is to shrink our heat shrink connector. When we have it completely shrunk, we ensure it is waterproof. That's guaranteed. And we will now do the crimping and shrinking on the other wires now. Then we will have done a professional repair using our RepCon connector. We have now finished the complete repair and re-insulated the cable. We are now putting the connector on. And the repair is finished. Clean, easy, fast, without leaving. RepCon for swapping out broken connectors in the vehicle.
We have now repaired our damaged area with our RepCon.
With the RepCon connections, you have everything you need. The contacts are crimped and the connector is attached. So it's a very simple repair.
The ignition coil is just one example. We also have repair plugs for xenon headlights, level sensors, and air mass meters. The program is vast.
If you need further information,
Our Rep Solutions video, where the whole repair family of what we have is shown, we link to this video.